channel. If you're new here, my name is Ankita. So today I have bought a review on a face serum which I have been loving and I have included in my nighttime regime. So the product I'm going to talk about is the StBotanica Vitamin C that has 20% of vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid has been a very big trend in the skincare when it comes to Korean beauty or it by itself as well. So it comes in a glass bottle like this. It's 20 ml of product. It has a dropper like so. As you can see, it is very watery in nature. I'll just show it to you guys. Looks almost yellow and it is watery and runny and it absorbs into the skin very well. It gives a glow instantly when you apply it. As it has hyaluronic acid, it's nothing to be afraid of. It's not an acid that is harsh on your skin. Super light. It does not strip your skin at all. It adds moisture to your skin. Acid is a moisture binding component which helps in making your skin look plump, younger looking. It has anti-aging effect. It hydrates and also makes your skin look younger, because with age or pollution or whatever external factor may be, collagen in your skin that gets reduced day by day due to all effects of pollution, aging, etc. This acid does it. It adds the collagen back to the synthesis of the system of collagen production. So it retains the skin moisture, whatever is lost. Let me tell you about the ingredients of this product. It has obviously vitamin C, vitamin E, it has green tea, jojoba seed, witch hazel, and it has aloe extracts as well. So it is a completely natural product. Elements help in eliminating dark circles, dryness, patchiness, any other effects like wrinkles, smile lines, lines around your eyes, and rejuvenates your skin in a better way. This was the background information I gave you about the hyaluronic acid, what it does to your skin. Now with this product I have been using, because it's very light and it's very smooth to your skin, or it's not harsh at all. I apply it every night with my Korean skincare. I replace this serum with my other serum which I was using, so I replace this with that. You not follow Korean skincare if you just want to use this. So what you do is you wash your face, you use a toner, and then you put the serum on and then top it off with a moisturizer, and your skincare is complete. So what I felt about this is when you apply it, as I said, it gives an awesome glow. Now you cannot wear it under your makeup just by itself because it kind of dries out eventually. So it's advisable to use it overnight only, because you have to top it off with a moisturizer, otherwise it kind of dries our skin in a way like it adds moistures to your skin, but whatever dry patchiness you have, what I have noticed when I just use this acid by its own without the moisturizer overnight, what I have noticed is I apply it over the night, but when the next day, whatever dry patches I had the previous night, or blackheads or whiteheads, it kind of pops out on the skin, and then you just take a wet towel and you just rub it on your face. Your dry patches are gone, your blackheads and whiteheads are gone. So basically it is about rejuvenating. So it rejuvenates the skin overnight, which is awesome. It has definitely improved my skin texture. The texture of the skin is more even. My dryness around my mouth is a bit less now. Also I have darkness around my mouth which is fading. I love that. Under eyes, dark circles. I have dark circles. I have been using this. It is fading out. Lines around my eyes, I was just starting to get it, so it didn't take much time for me to see the improvement. So within 15 days my lines, this area lines, I don't know what's it called, but these lines were gone. It's not there anymore. So if you're starting out early, it's good. You won't get wrinkles. It has anti-aging properties, as I said. Your skin will be youthful, you will be wrinkle free for a long time. But if you already have them, you have to consistently use it for a while, for a month or so, or 2 months to see the effect. This bottle will definitely last you to 2 to 3 months. The price of this is around $17.99 for 20 ml of product, which is I think standard rate that I see nowadays. You do get discounts on Amazon or purple.com, Nykaa, where you can pick it up for $15.99 as well, and I think it's a very good investment for your skincare in case you want to add a serum. And the best part about this is it has vitamin E, vitamin C and hyaluronic, so you basically do not need any other thing in your serum more than this. Don't forget, if you're using an acid, you have to use an SPF if you're going out. So I kind of avoid this in the afternoon. I usually use it over the night only. So StBotanica, I forgot to give you some details about the company. I just looked up to the website, and their website has a lot of serums. It has vitamin E separately, vitamin C, retinol, any acid or serum you can think of, you will find it there. And this one has a combination of 3, but it is basically more like the ordinary company, the skincare, where they have acids and all. So it has, StBotanica has these kind of acids, serums. They have products for bath and body, hands, legs, hair, everywhere. So you can surely check them out. I'll probably leave their link down below for you to just check out their website, and also the product details where you can buy it from. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I will definitely get back to you. And that's all about it. I completely love this. I am going to repurchase this, and I think it has done wonders to my skin. It is a great additional to my skincare, existing skincare. And if you're new, if you're starting out, if you're in early 30s or late 20s, I think it's the best time to start using something like this, which has anti-aging properties for youthful looking skin. You will age slower. I totally recommend this product. Give it a try, not regret, because before trying out this product, I did go through some reviews. Everything I read or saw was positive, hence I thought of trying it too. And do not leave without subscribing. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, bye.